How would I specify a Mark 8 Golf R? So you join me January 2022 in Chipping Norton, where I've actually just driven a base spec Mark 8 Golf GTI, so stay tuned to that on the channel. It was a fantastic experience, car I was really looking forward to, and yeah, really happy to share. Yes, I am in Chipping Norton, a very nice place to say the least, and some amazing roads as well on this wet, cold British day. So I thought I would explain to you how I would spec a Mark 8 Golf R. It's a car that I talk about a lot on the channel, so I thought I'd just summarise it based on the experiences that I've had with the car and the information I found out. And I'm going to make it quite simple and tell you quite early in the video. Keep the price down. Nothing's made that more sure in my mind after driving that Golf GTI. Price per performance is a big thing. Sure, you can spend 60-70,000 pounds on the new Audi RS3 these days, but it's a lot of money, so it's got a lot to live up to. I would honestly, happily get a Mark 8 Golf R with no options. I genuinely would. But if you want to have some options to give yourself some versatility, I genuinely would prioritise DCC. And that's kind of what I said in the video link above, sort of my 5.5 simple steps to buying a Golf R. Just because it gives you that versatility of even more comfort. The 18-inch wheels are fine. It gives you, again, the more comfort. And it's fine. We're coming up to a national speed limit road, so I'm going to pop her in race mode, and hopefully you get to hear a bit of Golf R fun. Yeah, fun. It's pretty horrendous. That's a nice Aston Martin, lots of puddles. The GTI was fine. Obviously my R with four-wheel drive has got a lot going for it in these conditions. Yeah, fun. So that's fairly simple. Well, look at the puddles. Look at that puddle. It's so much fun. Yeah, I mean, I'm just smiling so much. Yes, that's how I would honestly spec it. Wow, that was a lot of water. And yeah, be interested to know your thoughts. But yeah, from someone who's just driven it a lot, that's kind of where I would kind of go. I think it's more sensible. I mean, I love the performance pack. Does that rear wing now come as standard anyway? So kind of what's the point of it? And in the real world, it's 60 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour, even 20 miles an hour you saw back there. What can you really do? In these conditions as well, you've got to be safe. I mean, look how nice it is out there. Man, Oxfordshire's nice. Chipping Norton's nice. Yeah, it's just really cool. Really grateful for the subscriber to come down here on such a horrible day as well. They didn't have to. Busy lives, man, 2 kids, wife, they don't have to, and I feel so blessed that they've done that. But I wanted to share just a quick little sort of 5-minute video, just to give you my sort of opinion just from the drives that I've had last year and the kind of the knowledge I've built up. It's up to you ultimately how you spec your car, but that's what I would do. I'd keep the price down. Price per performance is really important. I'm in a base spec Mark 7 Golf R. It's a 3-door manual. I absolutely love it. And yeah, that's kind of what I'd say. It's as simple. I'm just trying to pack in the knowledge that I've had from so many other drives really for you. And hopefully you may take that on board if you purchase one. I'm going to continue to enjoy some frankly amazing roads. 4-wheel drive weather for the R. Bumpy, potholey. Honestly, GTIs and Rs are the best cars you can get today with petrol engines in 2022. And we're not going to see them again. You're not going to see them again. The Mark 8.5 is probably going to keep it. But the Mark 9, no chance. It's going to be ID3s. VW might not even offer a petrol car soon. Forget 2030, it's gonna come earlier. Think 2025, that kind of time. Give the video a like, really helps support the channel. Thank you for supporting this community channel. And yeah, have a great one. Stay safe, happy, healthy, strong, and have a great life. enjoy cars while we can. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers, guys.